Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside an air conditioner when it cools your room? We turn on the AC, and within minutes, the room becomes cool and comfortable. But what is the science behind this cooling? In this video, we will understand the complete working principle of an air conditioner in a simple and professional way. We will break down the process step by step so that even a beginner can understand it clearly. So let's begin. What is the working principle of an air conditioner? The working principle of an air conditioner is based on the refrigeration cycle. An air conditioner does not create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from the indoor air and transfers it outside. This process is done using a special fluid called refrigerant. The refrigerant continuously changes its state between liquid and gas. During this process, it absorbs and releases heat. This is the basic principle behind air conditioning. Main idea in simple words, AC removes heat from inside the room and throws that heat outside. That's why the outdoor unit releases hot air. Main components involved in working principle. To understand the working principle, we must know the four main components: compressor, condenser, expansion device, evaporator. All these components work together in a cycle. Step-by-step working principle. Now let's understand the complete process step by step. Step 1: Evaporator absorbs heat. Indoor unit. The process starts at the evaporator coil inside the indoor unit. Warm air from the room is pulled into the AC by a fan. This warm air passes over the evaporator coil. Inside the evaporator, there is cold refrigerant at low pressure. As the warm air touches the cold coil, heat from the air is absorbed by the refrigerant. Because of this heat absorption, the refrigerant starts to boil and turns into gas at the same time. The air loses heat and becomes cool. This cool air is then blown back into the room. This is how cooling happens. Step 2: Compressor increases pressure and temperature. The refrigerant gas now moves to the compressor. The compressor is located in the outdoor unit. Its job is to compress the refrigerant gas. When the gas is compressed, pressure increases. Temperature increases. Now the refrigerant becomes high pressure, high temperature gas. This hot gas is then sent to the condenser. Step 3: Condenser releases heat. Outdoor unit. The hot refrigerant gas enters the condenser coil. A fan blows outside air over the condenser. As air flows over the coil, heat from the refrigerant is released into the outside air. Because of this, the refrigerant cools down and changes from gas to liquid. Now it becomes high-pressure liquid refrigerant. This heat rejection is the reason why the outdoor unit blows hot air. Step 4: Expansion device reduces pressure. The liquid refrigerant now passes through the expansion device. This can be a capillary tube or expansion valve. The expansion device suddenly reduces the pressure of the refrigerant. Due to this pressure drop, temperature also drops rapidly. Now the refrigerant becomes low pressure, very cold mixture. This cold refrigerant is now ready to enter the evaporator again. Step 5: Cycle repeats. The cold refrigerant returns to the evaporator. Again it absorbs heat from the room air. And the entire cycle continues again and again. This continuous process is called the refrigeration cycle. Important concept: heat transfer. The entire working principle of an AC is based on heat transfer. Heat always moves from high temperature right pointing arrow low temperature. The refrigerant helps in moving heat from indoor air to outdoor air. Summary of working principle. Let's summarize everything. Evaporator absorbs heat from indoor air. Compressor increases pressure and temperature. Condenser releases heat outside. Expansion device reduces pressure and temperature. This cycle repeats continuously. Now you clearly understand the working principle of an air conditioner. Remember, AC does not produce cold air. It removes heat from the room. Understanding this concept is very important for every HVAC student and technician. This knowledge helps in installation, troubleshooting, and maintenance. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more professional HVAC training content.